Welcome to VisualKit, the fastest way to create Minecraft YouTube thumbnails. Let me show you how it works. First, to start off, I'll use Quick Create. You can instantly make thumbnails for Minecraft, Fortnite, Roblox, and more. For now, let's stick with Minecraft. Here, you just need to type your video title. And the AI will return you 3 different variations you can use directly. I will just use a simple video title. Then click on Create and let it load. And here are the results. 3 thumbnails. I like this one. This one looks fine. But this one could look even better if the text was blue. Let's edit it. So let's open up the edit mode. Here you can edit any thumbnail perfectly. Either upload your own thumbnails or select the ones you recently created in VisualKit. I'll select the one with the red text and make it blue. Click Apply and let it load. Here is the result. The exact same thumbnail, but with blue text instead of red. And now, I have 3 ready-to-use Minecraft thumbnails completely done. Start creating at visualkit.app.